Hold on! I am coming for you. Run! Quickly, it's too strong!
Help me! My bull! My bull is being wrapped by a giant python! Please, emergency, help me!
Okay, we're coming right now.
Let's go! Emergency! All units, now!
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Emergence! Everyone, assemble now!
What?
Let's go! Turn it off!
There's the signal. That's the distress signal.
Confirm coordinate set. We're dispatching now.
The large containment net. Grab it.
Got it.
Lift on 3!
1, 2, go!
Case secured. Ready for transport. Move out.
Keep going! Back it up just a bit more! All set, ready for takeoff! Copy that, lifting in 5.
All teams, stabilize the cargo. We have lift.
Roger that. Base, maintaining position. See the spire at Sector Gamma? That is our insertion point.
Roger that. Adjusting course. Base, fuel remains green, proceeding to Sector 4.
Roger that. Checking approach vector now. Thermal signature indicates a large snake near the subject, Victor.
Roger that, Sierra. Assessing the threat now.
LZ clear. Approaching final descent.
Confirmed, we are ready for extraction.
All right, move out. Keep your eyes open.
Roger that. Moving to the aircraft.
Go, go! Secure the line! Get up!
Be careful, the python. It's very dangerous. Understood.
Hold steady. We've got visual! We've got visual! She's still got strength. Go wide. Pull now. Go, go! Strap secured here. Tighten the tail end. Got it. Locks on. She's contained. Hook secured. Lift it slow. Clear. You're cleared to raise.
The package is secure and stable. Roger that. Maintain course 090. Subject is clear of the aircraft, beginning descent to the clearing.
Roger, maintaining hover. Advise when secured.
Easy now. You're okay. Just breathe.
We've got supplies. Coming in hot.
72 team ready. Secure the net on my signal.
Harness is tight, leader. Bull is stable.